Ikemba rise. Ikemba rise. On November 29, 2015, our people declared Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. Mumuna, listen. Our roads are broken, schools without roofs, so farms they suffer, no more than two, so but now we stand to declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call jobs right here, we create Ikemba development, no more wait. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise, from need to victory. Raise your voices high, build our future bright. State of Ikemba, we claim our right. Our own state house leaders we know, from hills of Obochiogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Managed budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice stay loud. Service charges, fair safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Roads, schools, peace, all in our hand. All in our hand. All in our hand. Akini ametiti amofe anani ezu dunu anauzu ide north ide south to obizi o family ogboki ogushine okotu umuri umuowele all divine. Each county, each district unique and bold. Resources and talents, our story told. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise. Turn promise to reality. So let's raise our voices, build our future now. Stand forward ever, backward never. Join the call, Biafra forever. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise.
2024, the people of the state of Ikemba, that's the heart of the old Anambra region, stood tall and declared our own state in the Declaration of the United States of Biafra. This isn't just talk, it's about real change for us. Stick around, I'm breaking down why Ikemba needs this and how it changes everything.
Schools need fixing and farms, they are stuck in the past without proper gear. But as our own state, we get direct access to that equitable share, grant and national funds. Boom, clean water for every home, reliable electricity, new health clinics, and skill center for the youth. We will attract investors, create jobs right here, and build the infrastructure we deserve. No more waiting on faraway decisions. This is us taking control. Who is with me? Picture this, our own state house with leaders who knows our land inside out.
From the hills of Obochiogu to the riverbanks of Ezi with Obizi the capital.
They will handle the budgets, collect service charges fairly, and make sure every Ejem goes to schools, roads, and keeping us safe. Transparency, it's baked in public meetings. No more hiding deals. We will have real accountability because these folks live here too. It's governance that feels like family, not some distant thing. Ikemba isn't just one spot. It's a family of counties and districts, each bringing their vibes. It's time. The state of Ikemba needs your support in the final push for total liberation. Your talents, ideas, and passion are urgently needed in the government. Let's work together to build a brighter future. A big shout out to our incredible citizens of the United States of Biafra, both in the diaspora and at home, for your tireless effort and dedication. We are connected, one heartbeat pushing for progress. So let's make it happen. Raise your voices, build our future. Ikemba State, one people, one purpose, one destiny. Turn needs into wins. Join the movement today. Together, we are unstoppable. Omunna, my brothers and sisters, welcome to the new dawn of Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. We are not just talking change, we are living it. Our leaders, elected by us, for us. No appointments here, pure people's power. Let's meet the team building our strength. Under the visionary leadership of Onyendu Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our unbreakable leader, the man who started this fire for justice and sovereignty, and guiding us daily, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoku, Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. He's steering the ship toward full independence. At the helm, guiding us nationally, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Rabueze, our Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. She's the visionary pushing for our sovereignty and growth. Right here in Ikemba, leading with heart, Her Excellency Nwada Dunu Kiruka, our elected governor. She is all about development from roads to schools. By her side, His Excellency Prince Dominion, Deputy Governor, the powerhouse ensuring every voice is heard and every plan executed. For security and pride, General Alaboso, Commander of Ikemba State, protecting our land and people with honor. And staying connected, Maazi C Global, Commissioner for Info and Telecoms, spreading our story, building our network. These are our elected champions, not appointed, but chosen by you. Together, they are the strength of the nation. Ikemba rises. Join the movement. Strength of the nation.
No man born of a woman can force me to sit at home. And the one again men of you come, I am old enough to know what is good for me. Until I put to sit at home now, actually in the mother name force to sit. I will not allow anybody to force me to sit at home. What do I do? When I'm going to sit at home, I do want to buy them down the line. No, I sit at home. So you need to take either force them to sit at home. I can have to force them. I'm going to buy them down the line. Ubasunfu knows over chat. Monday, no come get. After I come, when it's working out. Mbana news. Makanisha mupoti ilo na Monday. Manake wana kutaka without time in a police. If you let me man, message in any button and over by force. Obodum kageji me stories that touch the heart. Wants to be like Roma. Ma potadilo na Monday. When I'm with your mom to find out here, Baja. Mama, you from Nilo na Monday. I'm going to my appointment when I get on Monday. If you Monday can't be here, if you Monday can't, that appointment has to go cancelled. Can leave the answer. Oh, what one year will of a course. Get it. I can't go on and go to a much not at all. What many have. Just for you, I am a
moto na aga mmadụ ka tọ na akụ gba na moto you know no say you dey sit at home or the motor na we sit at home e ma afu moto m n'ilo e ma afu moto m kwọ ya gbam mo bụ kwa ka ifu m n'ilo na Monday mụa adị m onye nwanyị mkpa iwe na-asị mpụta ilo na Monday na onwere ife na-eme amị nọ gị n'aka nri polisi nọ gị n'aka ekpe DSS kwụ gị n'iru civil defense kwụ gị n'azụ mpụta kịta achọrọ ime nje Michael na nje Gabriel na nje Uriel wepụ gị ilo.
All right, welcome back to my channel, and we are back again. This is a live broadcast, and today is 14th day of February 2026. Happy Val to all of you, and we are back again on a new video. I just want to go through this one before we are fundraising. As you all know, today is Saturday. So I can see I changed the location. My environment, my normal place, my normal location is not where I am now. So we have to manage this one. The light is not actually friendly. So that's why the look, of course, will be different from what you used to know. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are here to go through some of the things that concerns us as a people. So I'm going to start the program without wasting much time. So if you are here, you are welcome. If you are going to watch later, please, you are welcome as well. And make sure you like this video. Okay? I expect you to give it a thumbs up. I expect you to at least support us in any way you can. And I expect your comment as well. So I have to start by making sure that I send my greetings to all of us here live, watching on this program, watching live now. And we have, I actually don't know the number of people that are watching, okay, because I'm streaming in my two platforms. So the views are not actually the way it's supposed to be, because today is Saturday. Normally I don't, I have never enjoyed live streaming on Saturdays. I'm not gonna lie, apart from fundraising, because people seem to be busy with their family and all that. But I have to come now to digest one or two things to let us know what is going on. So anytime you join us, I expect to like the video so that we know that you're actually watching us live. What you're watching now is a live program. So it's not a recorded video, it's live. So for you to know that it's live, I will go to comments and read all the comments there and bring it to you. As you can see here, we have a Paulinus. And he said, while we are waiting, I think this comment came before I started. While we wait, we for pray for United States. Okay, let's continue. We for pray for United States of Biafra, USB declared. We pray the leaders of Biafran past and present, Dim, Chukwemeka, Odimegu, Ojuku, General Flip Effiong, Maz Namodekano, and Maz S.I. believe Simon. Okay, that is from Paulinus. And he said again, Master Manekba and all members of USB's cabinet, may God see you and your vision for Biafra through. Okay, he said that is the IJN in Jesus' name. He said, so let's continue. We have our own brother, one of us, Armstrong, a man of the hour. This our brother has been with us from day one. I think I can count 3 people that joined me that I can remember. I can record those days. I can't count 5 without counting him. He has been here with us for a very long time. Very dedicated and very, very straightforward human being. I appreciate you, my brother. Nice to see you, and you are highly, highly welcome. Frank Okoye. Frank Okoye is here. And he said, good day, Masekai report. Good day to you, one mother. Happy weekend to you, and I hope all is well with you. See, our brother said, good afternoon to you. I'm strong. Yamaragema. Frank said, greetings, General Biafrans. Greetings to you, Frank, once again. And Madichi Goze, our own brother. I see you one number to get Godi. Frank Okoye said, as you join, hit like button, please do. Even if you don't trust or believe what I'm saying, hacking to the voice of the gods. Our brother is here, Frank Okoye. Please hear what he said and like the video if you have not. John Okenwa. John, I see you. Good evening, bro. Good evening to you, Wandamado. Lewe. And Ebubagwa. As you join, hit like button from Frank Okoye. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, we have this our brother Chika Chidi Phillips. Chika Chidi Phillips said, watching from South Africa. I hope you're not close to attachment guy. Nice to see you, don't mind me. Okay. Elizabeth Okoro, Okore said, I say good to all Biafrans. Nice to hear that from you. You're welcome. John Okenwa, okay, clapping. And the woman Zekai, Money Man, one of us. Money Man, I see you. John Okenwa again, I see you, John Okenwa. And Bishop Onaga. Bishop Onaga is here. I'm what? I am a citizen of United States of Biafra. I think I am a citizen of United States of Biafra. Okay, hashtag USB. I see you. Led by Dr. Gozora Beze, declared 29 November 2024 in Lati, Finland. That's from Onaga. Onaga, I greet you. You're welcome. Welcome again. We are here with you, my brother. I know. Nice to see you. Our own lovely sister, Wada, I greet you. Happy weekend to you, Margaret. Good day, Mazakai. Good day to you and your household. Why, I die why? John Okowa said, he said, yes, so. Yes, so. And Victoria said, thanks be to God who has given us victory through his son, Jesus Christ, in Jesus' name, and goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life. In Jesus, the days of our life, I believe. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 Thank you. Thank you for your prayer. And we have another person. I'm trying to go through it quickly before we start. I did, my brother. Okay, nice to hear that. Nice to hear that. I'm from, okay, South Africa. All right. Good afternoon, Biafrans. God vision, sorry. God vision, I see you. Okwudere Peters. Good afternoon, Mazekai. Good day to you, Okwudere Chuku. He said, Polo one Lipopo. Who are you sending these greetings to? Say Polo one. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, this is all the comments we have at the moment. Please keep it coming. Now, let's go to the program direct because I think I need to share something first. Yes, I need to share the screen so that you will able to see what we're about to go through. I have not opened it, and I think let me open it from another window. I have to open it from another window first. Many of us don't understand that when DPM said that we have provided all the lawyers, not lawyer like we have provided everything that PM need. Let me quote her right. Everything that PM needed for his court case, we have provided it. In fact, I think I need to say something before I share this. Let me just put my videos, let me see if I'm going to position it well. and bring down this comment, okay? Okay, John, okay, well, just permitting me to bring your comment down. Why? Because I want to say something. I want us to listen and listen very, very carefully. I have told us the problem of USB government is they don't know, not they don't know, they don't like, they don't see it as something important to blow their trumpet, to announce themselves. It is only when we just have to wait and wait and wait and wait until when the opportunity comes, then only you can now see or hear some things about them. When DPM made it clear that everything that PM needed for his court case has been made available, but it's now his choice. He left for him to choose. I was like, why must he be PM? Like, why must he be like that? Because it sounds like somebody is dragging something with somebody. It sounds like that. There must be something going on wrongly, and they don't bother to expatiate, to deliberate on it, in a wider scale of it. But they just decided not to further it and kept quiet. But the recent event of hiring a lawyer from America have triggered some truth to resurface. From where? From Sonak Barawa's camp. And that's why I have to start this live stream with that. That's why I said, if you are here, we are gonna discuss it, in a very good way. That you have to give us your time, your ear, to understand what is playing out. That simply means that somebody is somewhere blocking something, blocking things, stopping people from getting in touch with PM. And guess what? They will still be the one to come out and start telling you, Ngozi have done this, Ngozi have done that. Go and ask Ngozi, why are you not? Where is the PM? Go and ask Ngozi. Oh, you said that you have not visited PM. I'm trying to see if my light will be more better than I don't like the look. I'm not gonna lie. My face look darker. Look, I don't know. I'm trying to see if the light will perform magic. Is it gonna perform magic? I doubt. After you guys used to see me the other way, right? So I don't think I have to bother myself much. Let me just allow it this way, please. Let it just be this way. So somebody is somewhere blocking the efforts. Not from USBO. I saw this from Sonak Barawa's, their post, and I was like, okay, now it's making sense. They will be the one to come out and start asking where is Ngozi. Ngozi cannot see PM. Ngozi will never visit PM. Ngozi cannot see PM, but they are the one mounting roadblock. They are mounting roadblock. Maybe now the things have maybe relaxed. I'm talking about from day one. Because Imam Adabo devoted his time. Why Isaiah was busy dragging some platform and some website. Imam Adabo, on the other hand, was building roadblock to CPM. Now they are not in good time. The truth is coming out gradually, little by little. When we tell you that that nothing profits better than or more than truth. Once you are saying the truth, relax your mind. You are not going to regret it. Never will you regret it. And that is exactly what is happening now, because Biafrans are seeing and hearing everything the way it's supposed to be, so that connecting the dots won't be difficult for you, my brothers and sisters. Okay? Now, I'm going to bring this up so that we go through it, then we now have something to say in detail. All right? And I believe and I hope it will somehow, it's going to open your eyes. I have to change. Let me take down my background to put it to another shape, another look. Let it be like this, because everything seems to be dark. We also I need light. I don't joke with light. Light brings very positive energy, so I don't want a dull moment. Let's continue. Here is the post from Sonak Barawa camp. Okay, this is the post. Of course, I'm going to expand it a little bit so that I believe it's going to be more readable. By the time we are done with it, maybe you can now understand what we are talking about. This is the lady that I told you. This lady have the same mind with Ogenkere. She cannot repent. Nkiru have left them to Mamada, have left Sonak Barawa and Azayogo's camp for Imam Madabo. That story we have to talk about, we have discussed about it. Listen to what Sonak Barawa said here. Pay attention.
The other accountability group of a man, make sure you take care of my Simon Ekpa. Give him everything he needs. If he says he needs 3 lawyers today, make sure you give him. We say he needs 5 lawyers. The same lawyers that when he was inside, before they even go for pronouncement, attorney the ability that we have was even trying to communicate. You people block him. Don't want attorney the ability to communicate with Maria Simon Ekpa, to communicate with the attorney that was handling the case there. Because you people claim that you people are the one in charge. So the attorney now, and even Elias when they ask, what is happening? Why are they not allowing us to communicate with the attorney in Kenya? What is happening? We say, maybe it's not the right time. You wait for when it is approved. Because they are blocking you with every effort. No. Okay. There was a time we said we need to get extra lawyer or attorney. They said, no, we cannot get another lawyer. It is the government that will recommend, like, or advisor or whoever. They don't allow any other. Okay, so why are you taking lawyer and useless people? When I say that some of you are working to see that my son don't come out, some of you don't understand. Because you'll be taking measures that will prolong his calamity. Anything that is supposed to have hastened his release, people will go to look for the back door so that it will remain there for a long time, so that people will now be coming here to be talking and be making noise every day. Isn't that?
Okay, I'm going to play it again and I'll pause it and say something about it. Are you following? Because just like I told you, I would have doubted this guy, what he said here, if not that I managed to connect it with what DPM said. And what is it? What is that thing that DPM said? DPM made it clear that these people, they are the one blocking substances. She does say it like that, but what if at the end of the day that's what it means? Because when she said that, when people Biafra asked her, what about PM court case? She was like, everything has been made available for him. The word everything has been made available for him, but it's at the end of the day, it's left for him to make the choice. Like he's one to make the choice. That means somebody is blocking the way. Somebody, because if I'm trying my best to do my best to contribute to be, I want to be included. I want, the inclusiveness is not there because Imam Madabo stand as a kind of guard, shielding everywhere and making sure that people that he wants will be the one. Because he's always, that this kind of people that when they want to friend you, they always call you on phone, want to hang out with you, they want to check on you. Then that, of course, Kijibolo Madman, you have to start thinking that he is the one that you can lean on. You have to trust him or trust her. Not because we used to have friendship with the person, but the person made himself available, but sometimes it's negative. Sometimes they're doing that to get hold of you, to delay you, to drown you. So when DPM made that statement, because she knew that PM is not a baby, he's a mature man that knows what he wants. So it's up to him. Not an insult, but that is where it's supposed to be. She don't want to start dragging anything with anybody. That's why she made it like that. This is my view. This is what I felt. This is what I think. This is what it's supposed to be. And she just said that with a church mind. What Sonak Barawa is saying now, even though he's among those that used to ask, God asking God cannot see PM. But when he was saying those things, he knew that somebody is claiming to be in charge. But because they're no longer together, he has to voice out and say this.
The other accountability group of a man, make sure you take care of man Simon Ekpa. Give him everything he needs.
The other accountability group of Imam Madabo, make sure you take care of Simon Ekpa. Remember, you don't see him as a PM anymore. Okay? So that is why you'll be hearing Simon Ekpa from them. Remember to take care of Simon Ekpa. Make sure you give him everything he needs. Everything he needs. Listen.
If he says he needs 3 lawyers today, make sure you give him.
If he says he needs 3 lawyers today, make sure you provide it for him.
We say he needs 5 lawyers. The same lawyers that when he was inside, before they even go for pronouncement, attorney that we have was even trying to communicate.
Now, if he says he needs 5 lawyers, give it to him. The same lawyer that you guys, that we have, Attorney Dabre, was trying to communicate, but you guys blocked it.
Who block him? You people block him. Don't want Attorney Dabre to communicate with Marisa on the back, to communicate with the attorney.
When Dabiri was trying to communicate with attorney in Finland for Dabiri to contribute, Dabiri that PM was trying to hire, that they blocked Dabiri from engaging with lawyers in Finland. Dabiri also is a lawyer in America with his own big profile, even though he later chose to follow Genken and all that. But I'm just trying to let you know, according to Nakbarawa, that Dabiri try to reach out to communicate, knowing for a fact that he cannot come there and defend PM because he's not finished lawyer. He's not a finished lawyer. Now, if they can block Dabiri with the hatred they have on COS, USB government, do you see them doing something to relax the communication and make it available for anybody that care to talk to PM? This goes to show that these guys deliberately refuse to allow genuine people that wanted to contribute or to offer what they cannot offer PM. They blocked everything. That's why I have the title here, The Days of Sabotage. Okay? The Days of Sabotage. USB is the only lifeline, only hope. This is what it is. Now, you see them claiming that they are the one and doing this and doing that. That's why you hear that the least thing that PM want to see is the Orabesa. PM don't want to see her at all. They used to say that, right? That PM that don't want to see her is actually those that are blocking people from seeing her. I'm not saying that DPM said what I'm telling you. I'm just saying this based on what Sonak Barawa is said here. They blocked Dabiri according to Sonak Barawa. You can hear him. So I'm not the one saying that. I'm just trying to bring it to your notice. Listen.
That was handling the case there. Because you people claim that you people are the one in charge. So the attorney now, and even Elias, when they ask, what is happening? Why are they not allowing us to communicate with the attorney in Finland?
Are you getting it now? That even Elias was a kind of worried. Why are they not allowing us to communicate with the attorney in Finland? Like I said, I wouldn't have believed or trust whatever this guy is saying, but that because of what CS said, we have provided everything for PM court case. Everything that he needed is available, but he has a choice. He's going to make a decision, meaning that some other people are offering something, trying to put it into contest, and DPM don't want to get involved with dragging this and dragging that because it's gonna bring more divided attention. Okay, which all of us can testify to that. Listen again.
What is happening? We say, maybe it's not the right time. You wait for when it is approved. Because they are blocking you with every effort. No. Okay. There was a time we said we need to get extra lawyer or attorney. They said, no, we cannot get another lawyer. It is the government that will recommend, like, or advisor or whoever. They don't allow any other. Okay. So why are you taking lawyer now? Useless people. When I say that some of you are working to see that Madison Moneyba don't even come out. Some of you don't understand. Because you'll be taking measures that will prolong his calamity.
He is now questioning them.
Is released. People will go to
do you understand?
Back door, so that it will remain there for a long time, so that people will now be coming here.
Which is true. Which is true.
Making noise every day.
Which is true. You understand it? So why are you now, like, you cannot see that these people actually understand what they're doing? The agenda is to make sure they block everything blockable. The agenda is to make sure, excuse me, the agenda is to block everything. Everything. They don't want to let anybody understand what is going on. They want to claim that they are the one in charge. The same Imam Madabo that supervised Ogenkere's madness and make him APM is actually the same person dragging one or two. Are you following? Dragging one or two. Why must he be like that? That's the question. Why must he be like that? Why is Imam Madabo and their group trying to make it look like everything must go through them? It must go through me. I'm the one in charge. You should listen to me. Without me, PM go nowhere. You know, that kind of thing. Because he felt that the best thing he can do is to deceive people. Deceive them. Make them to believe that the PM actually approved you, that other people back work. You know, when Imam Madabo was with Ogenkere, they normally pretend that PM called Ogenkere. PM is one calling Ogenkere. PM is one telling Ogenkere what to do. PM is this, PM is that. But that is not true. It was all Imam Madabo. Now, you see the write-up here. It said, Biafrans, listen to how Imam Madabo good Professor Chioma Okoma and Ada Raphael Otipu restricted Biafrans from reaching out to our former senseless individuals. You see writing, our former PM, Simon Ekpa. We need to do something to rescue our Simon Ekpa. Can you imagine that? I'm a phone believe, man. I swear down. I'm a phone believe, man. Can make up number one. Our foot to be very, very canka. The madness will be here. The madness will be. Can you imagine that? See how what they're calling PM. They say our former PM. Look at it here. Where is it again? Just a moment. He said Biafra, listen to how Imam Madabu good. Professor Choma, okay, Imam Madabu good Professor Choma Ukoma and Ada Raphael Otimpu restricted Biafrans from reaching out to our former PM Simon Ekpa. Then he followed it by saying, we need to do something to rescue our Simon Ekpa from this Nigerian agent. Hi. Then Oyenkabo, the queen of sabotage, he said, Imamugu and his embittered, I don't know what it means, like jealousy gang can only deceive dollars and those who are allergic to the truth. They can deceive dwellers, those who are allergic to the truth. Lies can travel very far, but only truth stands the test of time. I hope you know what that statement means. And we are going to keep our eyes on this your truth too, because make sure that this your truth gathered very well. Everybody we of course, we know at the end of the day how truthful you are, how genuine you claim to be. You said the truth. I love that. I thank God that you know that truth will stand the test of time. Not this kind of your lies, because this lies goes nowhere. At the end of the day, you will regret all this nonsense you guys are doing. Especially you, of all people. You have done a lot of nonsensical things, thinking that you are hurting PM. This woman said a lot of nonsense before in the past. I'm trying to bring forward another post that I want you to pay attention from Sonai Parawa, of course, from their camp. But that's why I'm scrolling up and down to look for that post. It's supposed to come immediately after this one. Let me go up a little bit. It's supposed to be okay. No, this one is a different one. It's a different one. Okay. Is it this one? No, not this one. Not this one. Yeah. This is a write-off from what I said. PM Simon Ekpa lost hope in Finland judiciary system. Everyone must work hard through international pressures, especially in Washington, D.C., as Brigadier PM Ogenkere Elias is doing, diplomatically engaging U.S. Congress to release of our leaders in prison. Independence, freedom fighters don't get freedom in court. Rather, international pressure, sanction, high tariff, and treaties. They were imprisoned for years. Independence because they're imprisoned for years for your independence, because you are independent, stop their business. You have to use superpower to extra options to dismantle your slave masters. The fight must continue. I am not in Finland. That's what I say. So he's trying to encourage their followers to do more of donation, more support, more involvement to get this done, because he believes that best thing to do is to make sure that everything is in Washington. Bring it to Washington. Pay attention in Washington. Do this in Washington. You know, that kind of thing. That is what they are trying to tell you here. Now, I want you to listen to this, okay? I want you to listen to this video.
Sir, with due respect, I would want to know what are the legal prospects of Biafra through the Biafra government in exile government council succeeding against the Nigerian state in relation to the allegations brought against our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, and what is the likelihood under applicable domestic and international legal framework of his release within the shortest time possible? Thank you.
So that's a difficult question. So thank you very much. I spoke directly with the Prime Minister about the legal process, and from the Prime Minister's perspective, he didn't have a direct answer, but he suggested that my first effort on his behalf should not be within the judicial system in Finland. He suggested that the first effort should be perhaps a letter from me to the foreign minister of Finland to raise at that level sensitivity about some of the fundamental legal questions involved in my involvement. So I'm not a Finnish lawyer. I've studied European law, and I'm knowledgeable, but I know enough to know that I can't pretend to be a Finnish lawyer. So I have to rely on the expertise of the Prime Minister's Finnish lawyers to grasp for myself an understanding of the legal process. And what I can say about the likelihood of the Prime Minister's release, I just go back to what I mentioned earlier. I will do everything in my human ability to obtain the Prime Minister's release, and at the same time, I will pray to God that we obtain that result. And I ask all of you that are listening to continue to pray for that result. And my commitment is, to the full extent of my human abilities, I will put my zealous advocate hat on and do what I can to help achieve that result. But it's not going to be done by me personally. It's going to be a group effort, and it will rely on the grace of God. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Now, you see why Imam Madabo and their group are blocking people from getting involved. Do you understand? In as much as I disagree on a lot of things with Sona Badawa, getting in, bringing other help from outside Finland is good. And now they hired the lawyer, which according to Sona Badawa, they blocked Dabiri from getting involved. Like I asked you, if they can block Dabiri and Elias, then what makes you think they're not going to block the US? Because Imam Madabo is the one doing all this nonsense. But the part that I don't know much is why Uche, who lives in Finland, allow Imam Madabo to outshine him in PM court case. That one is beyond my knowledge. I don't know why. I'm not going to lie to you. I have to be real to you. So I don't know anything about it, because I know some people will say, but the US government have people living in Finland. Yes, they do. But I don't know the reason. I don't know I don't know what is going on about it. But those who claim that PM cannot see US, cannot do this, cannot do that, are Imam Madabo group. They are bragging that before you even go to PM, you must get approval from Imam Madabo. If that is what PM wants, who are you now to say no? You don't have any choice than to understand the reality on ground. That's exactly what is going on. Then, if this lawyer that they just hired is telling you that he's going to rely on what Finnish lawyer says, that means Imam Madabo from day one, they knew that foreign lawyer, anything cannot do much. That they are the one to bring it and all this. And this is a way to bring Biafrans closer to what they're doing. The same tactics they use when they initiated the idea of men on ground. Because fundraising, they started claiming about fundraising and all that is a way to lure you to their own wish. You have to obey us or you have no access to. Do you understand it now? That was the tactics, that was their belief. And they actually think that people must be a kind of a way of forcing people to do what they themselves want, not what people actually wanted. Because the love that people have on PM is very, very huge. They knew that, they capitalized on it to their own favor. And that is what is playing out. They have tried it on men on ground. Now they are now using it PM court case to do the same thing. I'm not saying you should not support them or anything. That's your choice. I'm just telling you what has happened or what is going on. Now Coach Chooks is here with us. Say good afternoon, Mazi, from my side. And again, God bless you, United States of Biafra all over the world. Good afternoon to you, Coach Chooks. God bless you. He said, Coach Chooks 042. Greetings to you. And Margaret says, Sabos everywhere, Sonia Akbarawa, Oginkere, Elias, Mama Dabo, Choma, all of them are useless, and he believe in order. So you can see the message, right? So I'm not gonna read it out because of the owner of the platform. So let's continue because I have other things to share with us. Speaking of saboteurs, yes, speaking of saboteurs, we have this. Just pay attention. The woman, listen, just listen for you to know.
Eze abata n'obi nke mbụ. Eze abata n'obi. N'obi. Nna m obi atọgbuo m na mụ na gị na-ekwu na-anụ onu gị. Onu ga na-ada na ntị m. Obi atọgbugo m. Obi atọgbugo m. Nna m asị gị nnọọ. Asị gị nnọọ. N'otu n'oke ezinụlọ nnọọ. Jide ka iji. Jide ka iji. Gị na ndị otu gị. Gị na fast eji ije nwere onwe a na-akwụ gị n'azụ. Bụ na na-eje n'abata. Asị m jide n'ukwu n'uji. Aya mma na-eke nọ ya n'afọ na nkwọ. O nwere ife ji ebe na mgbede a. Anọ m ka mgbe na-echeki echiche.
Listen.
Ndị Igbo na-akpọ research. Na-achọ ife na were ọba na-achọ ife daba na mmiri. O nwere ihe nchọpụta na nke ikpeazụ a. Nji wee sị mba na m ga-egoro afọ a na afọ a bara uru. Na azụ n'ụkwụ agbara nwa awọ bụ lift ka e nyere ya. Nna m asị gị na agbara gị ekperima ọ gị nwa dị a na-akpọ gị ekperima.
Ekperima bụrụ bọmbụ na be anyị nọ.
Ekperima ahụ akpọrọ gị o nwere nchọpụta ọzọ m fụrụ n'ime ekperima ahụ. Nchọpụta n'ime ekperima ahụ bụ na afọ etiti gị bụ ekpa. Ọ bụ ya? Afọ etiti gị bụ ekpa. Denụ ịbịa na asụsụ ndị Old Imo steeti, ndị Old Imo. Rima bụ onye na-eri onye asị rima n'asụsụ ndị Old Imo steeti.
Yes, I'm going back to the video. Frederick Jackson. Yes, and guess what? PM, I was told that PM is no longer working with her. That PM have told her to remove hands in anything about his court case. Do you understand? That is number one. Okay, and I don't know much. I can only tell you what I hear, what somebody what some of the people said, not what the way it is. You know what I'm talking about? Because I don't know. I can only tell you what's in the public. I have never talked to PM or even DPM. But that PM's wife, people that have bad intention, they always act, anyhow. How can you allow yourself to be used by Isaiah Ayog with Imam Madabo? And it could be Imam Madabo that went, that said to report. I don't know who reported her to PM, that PM said, okay, stay away from my court case. The only connection between them now is just, Adam. From time to time, PM, they will bring Adam to PM. PM will see Adam, Adam will see PM, and all that. That's what I was told. Now, the blockage is in favor of these gangsters, not in favor of PM. Not at all. Margaret said, Masakai, for me, I don't care. They will never get my money. I will not donate to them, period. Please donate to USB. You understand? Today's fundraising. Donate to USB. That's the best thing to do. All right. I'm saying that because I've made your choice, not me. I did not tell you to do that. You are the one that's saying that. Ezin Wife is here with us. My brother is here. I greet you for checking on us. He said, Mazaka and day one day what to you. God bless you. Happy weekend to you. Biafra in day whoa. That is from Ezin Wife. Greetings to you, one Yamara. Now let's continue. Let's continue because I want you to hear what happened here. Why I'm actually playing this, because DPM released it on her this afternoon, is because I want you to see, I want you to hear how these people who claim that DPM is nobody anymore. Oh, she's a Fulani woman. But in this meeting, she was the one, controlling the meeting. PM was there. You can only hear two of them. In the day they visited why is such a, and in the to find occasion. Both of them were there. Maybe other cabinet members, I'm not saying that they're not there, but I can only tell you the one that you hear their voice or you can see in the video. DPM was there. On that way, I done that I done today is Jigawa woman. You can see the madness. And these are people that want to make decision for you. They want to suggest something to you. They are hiding behind their own grievances, their own enemies, their own hatred. Trying to drag Biafrans to join hands with them to carry out, one or two. Just to favor them. Just to favor them. Not for you, not for your freedom, not to make things look the way it's supposed to be, not at all. The anger, the audacity of these people is second to none. They want to prove something that all of us already know, that they cannot carry it out, because DS tried it severally. They couldn't succeed. Biafrans are not pushover. Nobody is controlling anybody here. We have eyes, we have brain, we can tell you, we can see. And Collins is here. Collins said, hello, Mr. Kai. Happy weekend to you. Nice to hear from you. Nice to see you. God bless you. And Margaret again. Margaret said, I thought I've shown this one. She said, Master Kai, I always donate to the United States of Biafra. Please, USB is me, and I am USB. I'm not saying you are not donating myself. I just want to encourage you. You understand? So I understand you, and we have our own brother. He said, "Kind report. I greet you. That is Chihoroke. Chihoroke, greetings to you. God bless you, sir. Happy weekend. I hope all is well with you. Take care of yourself, okay? I am talking of all the fallback group of all the fallback group of any kind. I understand, Margaret. I understand. Anyway, hear them.
So if I put up na EPA, erimega anye ndị ekwu maka ndị iro na-akpọga ekperima na EPA eriga anyị mogu. EPA has outsmarted us. Ote EPA eriga anyị. Yota. EPA eriga anyị. Ya wo ekperima. EPA eriga anyị. Mama na akpọga ekperima. If okwu ha wapụta bụ na irigo ha that you have over outsmarted them. Iriga anyị, irigo fa. EPA. Wasa gị bụ your middle name. EPA erima eriga anyị. Ọ ịpọpụta. Ịbịa na afa nke ọzọ fa na-akpọ gị nwa akpụda nọ na Finland. Akpụda nwa bara ezigbo uru. Imebe eji esi gị n'afọ nwa bara ezigbo uru. N'ikpogidego ndị a.
This our brother. This our brother Emeka Ghana. I'm not calling him a saboteur. Just understand what I'm trying to tell you. Emeka Ghana was a kind of supporting and very, very vocal. All of a sudden, he will go out, will come back. I don't understand. But I don't blame him because these guys, these saboteurs, like why is such a, they keep on having meeting after meeting. Meeting after meeting. Thank you so much, Ezinwife. God bless you, sir. Thank you, thank you. He said, Mazakai, I don't forget. Dr. Ngozi Reverend Protect. He said, Mazakai, don't forget. Yeah, Mazakai, don't forget. Dr. Ngozi Protect demanded. Gidibam, gidibam, Ghana, Wagokwana. I hope I believe you, of course, you are very active. I know that you are aware of what happened yesterday. The news about Australia. The day is coming. When all these things will turn around. I understand the grievances of the freedom and the Kwechisi and then City Boys movement and you know, I've not talked about this City Boys movement. I've not talked about it because honestly, I see them as a comedian. I want the dead to bury themselves. Yes. In a situation whereby in this digital world that you can on your own in your own house, you can Google, you can research, you can find out what happened to other people. Or like for example, if you want to go to, let's say you want to travel to Asia, maybe a country like let's say, where's Yemen? Yemen is okay. Let me say Middle East. You want to travel to Middle East, maybe Yemen or Afghanistan, and all you know about Afghanistan is negative, right? Maybe something happened that you must, or your company send you to Afghanistan. First thing you need to do is to find out life in Afghanistan and what is the weather condition in Afghanistan. I mean, what I'm trying to say in essence that you have to ask some people what it means to live in Afghanistan and the route to go to Afghanistan. You have to ask questions. So in this condition where we are now, if you are not asking yourself, other countries that have faced what Fulanis are bringing, this conquest, this jihad, this agenda, this by fire by force conversion to Islamize everybody. If you have not paid attention to ask how other countries face that, you are not doing yourself any good though. And I cannot see a billionaire. I cannot believe that a billionaire, not a millionaire, a billionaire who have built and run business, you know, here and there, they don't understand what is yet to come. They don't want to. And I honestly, I find it difficult to believe that people will not pay attention to this kind of thing. Obi Kubana and Co. doing what they're doing now. Igbo people, all of us know the news. Like I said, maybe on a good day we may decide to focus on that and digest it very, very well. Anyway, God bless you, like I said, and may God reward you and meet you at the point of your needs, grant you your heart desire that are not evil. Thank you so much for your support, like always. Yeah, my brother, thank you. Namo, the Lucky Palace. He said, "Whoa, beautiful! I did not know that that you have come live. We thank you so much for your love and support. To us, the good Biafran USB is final." Are you saying they did not send notification? Because I got notification from my end. There I felt like, okay, there's no need to worry about it. But I understand that it's the weekend, you know. Sometimes people can be busy with their families and all that. I see you. God bless you. Our own brother Ezewife said he was deceived by Adocho. Yes. And he was deceived, and he came back, and I just deceived him again. Yes, my brother, we are here. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Then the question is, why would a grown-up man allow himself to be deceived by adults? Why? I don't have his contact. I think I had it before. Do I have Amy Ghana's contact? I will check. Because if I have his contact, I would have reached out to him. Do you understand? Yes, I would have reached out to him. Not because I have ability to convince him, but I would have loved to know his reasons. Everyone have their reasons. Our brother, that is our brother. Should I mention his name? Let me not mention his name. He's on social media. He disappeared, but now he's back. He resurfaced, and he's a kind of quiet, but he has declared himself as staying with the USB government. Even though when he disappeared, he did not say anything, he did not utter any word. But now that he's back, he's sharing information about USB. You know, one thing is this: if you are doubting, why don't you ask some people to clear air, to understand? Sometimes you may be making mistake thinking that you are right. You may be making mistake thinking that you know this is your style, you are right, but you don't know that you're actually making mistake. How can you, unless if you don't remember what happened though? Like when Pierre was here, they planned from the time of first convention in Finland, and of course the self-referendum, and the weeks before the second convention that Biafra declared, Biafra was already declared, and all that. If you don't remember all those things, then I can forgive you. But in as much as you remember how the whole thing has happened and the role that these guys played, I think you don't need to struggle to know what you do to actually make a very good choice. I don't think it should be a very big deal for you to to know your choice, what you need to do. Now let's hear from Emeka Ghana again. Egu, I see you, Egu, and Paul. Greetings to you all. Okay, greetings to you all. All of us cannot be in a particular party. Egu, all of us can. All right, all of us can. He said, "I'm the coordinator of Village Boy in my village." Yeah, I know. You are coordinator of your village. It is good. At least you know your territory. That's the one thing I love about that. So don't drag people's village, okay? Just focus on your village, which is good, and continue your good work. Your work will speak for you, and it's gonna speak for for itself. So you can be in the same party as even if you can. If you can't, others that are not may not have what it takes to destabilize the effort of genuine people. It doesn't matter how many parties, but how sincere are you in that party. It doesn't matter who you are following, but how dedicated and how focused are you. Okay, are you building this party to distract the other party, or are you building to follow your template as a people? That's what we need to ask ourselves. We need to ask this kind of question. And Paul said, "And they will report, they will to you, ego. All of us cannot be." I think I've seen that. And because he is weak man. That's true. That's true, because a real man cannot just fall like that. You understand? That I cannot pretend that I don't understand what you just said there. In Biafra struggle, we have Ogenkere Group, CLC, IPOP, and USB. We don't have all those things you're talking about. Are they fighting for Biafra? How can you cause sabotage as well? People that have different opinion from what you have in getting Biafra? How can you, when you are counting on people that are doing something, you can't them join as well? No, it's wrong. Opposition cannot be counted as people that have the same ideology with you. Do you understand? If I'm to account people that actually fight for Biafra now, I will never count DOS. You may say IPOP, but are they fighting for Biafra in mass American absence? The answer is no. So there must be this kind of but in each of their names. There must have but in each of their names. He's not fighting for Biafra. And Nnamdi said, no, Eggman has given him 1 egg. These are the best. Well, let me read it from here. Eggman has given him 1 egg. These are the best fools. What do you mean by that? Who gave? I mean, you are saying that the Eggman gave Amy Ghana egg. I don't understand that. Please can you throw more light on that, please? I want to know. Gift. Please, guys, make sure you like the video. I don't know the performance of this video. In fact, I'm gonna check your list after this. Amy Ghana is a Confucianist. No wonder he married 2 wives. Child. So Gift, you're a woman. Sometimes I thought you were a guy. But this your comment. The only woman who can make this kind of comment. There's no man. In fact, maybe few. No man will write this kind of thing that you put out there. The name Ghana is a Confucianist. No wonder he married 2 wives, because some men will be like, are you against 2 wives? Kai, please, our media should intensify awareness for Monday sit at home. Yes, and the best thing to do is also when you send link, you come here also add your voice and help us and amplify and make sure that is well solidified. You know what I mean? It's not by only media, and everybody can help. When I started, I played already the jingle about that, which is the preach from the priest.
You will on Chanina, Nime Biafra, or people.
The voice is cracking.
It's a nigga back a that in Chanina, Nime Biafra. When I'm more boy, Mekagan and I take it. Abuda, Urayan Chanina and about Biafra. Urayan Chanina and about Biafra. Abuda, Urayan. In fact, Urayo. Because Ejimo 300,000 eje. When I say half I know about Uru, 300,000 eje. When they go Sina Danda, I want to talk about to get us the waff. But Danda. I can never Danda. Man, I didn't when I was Danda. After the arrow of Danda. If I run a boot, I carry 1,000 times, my own Buya. More when I was again, Ibu Biafra waiting you will get. Now one I was again Danda. And the Ibu Biafra, you will go up with Danda. Or may your ball, or may your ball, or what was it? Buria, Fabiano. Now, what's it done? Biafra, Ibu Biafra, you book it. Or you would in a care, or you would in all year, or you would in a
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And it's a pity that na afani na bia somebody then somebody then Sonny, can you people show that tape? Somebody then which they are going to launch in Finland. And Sonny considered the cover of the akwụkwọ because of Okonya Kulkita. This book with somebody the channel, and it's a pity that many alpha Mahabata Makana alpha didn't get late. Mana why Biafra there are also no I got lunch here in Finland. The Udunaya when I free I will come here. Many names of Ekpa Simon and Joko, ESN, and their meaning. Afakare.
Oh, yeah, chop with that. And research him, man. Come can research him one man. Anti executor. Chop with that. If ever for an half hour, I the alpha. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, the child the alpha, equal the meaning.
Yeah.
Equal the meaning. For your information, this Alpha, how many am I not the same?
Now, that is in their meeting, and the COS was there, and this woman, Lazuba, was there as well, because this is PM meeting with now the other one is the second part is this. Where is Ogenkere? Okay, maybe you are gonna see Ogenkere in here, right? Let's watch.
5.2. It's on 4.2. Mighty dot going one. No.
Now, if on a what you is here, no, Adachere. No, Adachere. The quick again.
Mighty dot to your leg on it. Got 5.2. It's on 4.2. Mighty dot going one. No. Let me get it. If I want to knock case in Uno, I'll just have carry I'm not coming in there.
Mighty dot Africa Kamuano. Give on Obodo Igbo.
No, but then 5.2 going to
I'm not 4 million.
Hold on. Let me upload. I need to upload it again because I noticed that the thing is just cracking. I was thinking that it's from the video, but I think it's from my system. Let me try again and see if I will upload it again. Where is that video? Let me upload it again.
It's on there. 4.2 mighty dot going one. No. Come on, Gente. Iba wo tu no kezi nu no. Oje ha kari ai. Amaka mi bi na ewu.
Adachere. Ta na also why jigawa. Ngozi Guru Fulani. And as a matured man, after watching her previous like this one now, and listen to her now, which of them do you think you follow? This is who US is, who she is to Lazuba. Lazuba was calling her Ada, right? Then now, she's now Ngozi Olabogoro Fulani, according to her. God, this is people that wanted to give you something. Let me start from here. He said, Emeka Ghana has gotten one from Eggman. Has gotten what? I still don't understand what you mean. The problem of this Emeka Ghana is that he talked too much without control. He can tell you he talk too much without sometimes without control. I believe Emeka Ghana is still supporting USB, but he is not actively on social media. I don't believe that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't believe, because he always want to. He's not someone that like to keep, calm or silent like that. Just look at how peaceful Adocho is looking. Exactly. You're very observant. You can see, very relaxed, right? You can see. Look at how peaceful. Oh, this is to tell the Ifojo. Ifojo cannot pay. It doesn't pay. Instead, you drag it to every name respect. You are 100% right, my brother. 100% right. Look at how peaceful, how relaxed all the here. Man, what choose they was a able to get.
Matidoto, Africa Kamuano. You are no Obodo Igbo.
No, but then 4.2 going to
I'm not 4 million.
Thank you so much, Erika, for your acceptance. 4.2 mighty dot going to
No, we disagree. Are you okay? Tell me, 4 million.
4.5 million. Okay. 4.5. Thank you so much. 4.5 million.
4.55.
4.55. Mighty dots. Going one. No. Then mighty dots. And 4.55. Going one. Mighty dots.
Africa kind of. I know what
4.5 to go
Oh my
What you complete the money? Now you have 100,000 Diego.
Only sort of 4.5 a man. Sorry, I don't want to make anyone to
I don't need to leave your battle. Amy, you just not good here, good at this thing. Now we started to get at you. Why not?
I don't think but I get out. Come on, over with that alpha.
On Subukai, or wake up. Everybody can't afford to no case. Give me the name.
Came out for no first of all, I'm told now. I got to move to her.
Amy, 4.2 million. I go wine in there.
I don't even under again. I don't even under again.
And I support Roya.
No more, I make a gun up on 4 million.
Africa.
4.5.
I go wine in a Gadi rice or Gunazu. Now Gadi. Gani rice or Gunazu. I go wine in a 4.5.
I go wine in there. Now I got more. I'm able to go and make us again. Oh, I go and then I come on the room to come back as again. I go
and then I got
4.52 to mighty dots. Going one.
Doctor. I go and then I just again. Dr. Rabez.
I go wine.
Two going one.
No.
Dr. Rabez, please, I want to talk to you. Can I go Palane?
Sit in your gap.
I just want you to always focus on that when she said, no. Adanne. No, this is the same woman today telling you that Adanne is now why Jigawa. Harimatu Abubakar. Just imagine. And some men, grown-up men and women are actually entertaining this kind of thing. After watching this video, and you fail to connect who she is and why she's doing what she's doing, then you are the worst human being ever. Your brain should help you out, I believe, but time will tell. Or where job for? I don't quite understand. What do you mean by Mazakwa? I gave him Aqua, something like that. I don't know about that. And Coach said the split of he was the split. I think you want to say the spirit of him must be me. That is what is disturbing that woman adultery. The split of he must be me. I don't get it. Please, please, can somebody read this out? I don't understand. Coach, your message. Mazam Lucano. You said something here. Mazam Lucano. Donas, go tell us. Go and listen to Simon Ekpa. And again, you said here. The split of he must be me. That is what is disturbing that I don't. Okay, the spirit of it must be me. I must be in charge. I think that's what I'm trying to say. The spirit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know what you mean. Bet me, shishi. Bet me, it's easy way to say. Bet me, she is regretting her actions. I think because the woman she's not normal. You understand? She can only regret the action if she's normal, but she's not normal. There's something in her pushing her, and that thing comes like is off and on. That thing pushing her is off and on. So I think maybe she regrets. Sometimes when she's overwhelmed with that negative spirit, she will start, acting abnormal. Because I'm enjoying this bargaining. Wait.
4.6 million. 4.6 million. 4.6 million.
Dr. Abez, I'm talking to you, please. I don't know.
Yes, she's possessed. It's not hidden. She is.
Okay, I go mine 4.6 million. Thank you so much.
4.65.
4.6.
So Zola.
What's in those who got that?
5 million.
No, huh?
5 million.
5 million. Going one.
5 million 50.
5.1. 5.1 million.
Sorry.
Okay, now.
I will not lie, Adochu actually did a very good work here. Very, very, very good work. She did a very good work here. I think people should hire her if she can, if the negative energy will allow her to be herself. She did a very good work here. You see how she persuaded these guys to that level? Because she don't want her to carry last. She did a very good work, even though when they want to stop, no, she keep on pushing, sourcing for one. I don't know at the end of the day who actually won it. Let's see. At the end of the day, who actually won the.
This is good. I'm loving it.
Equal 5. Mighty dot.
Mighty dot 25.5 million.
5.62. Mighty dot 5.2 million.
5.2 million. 5.3 million.
She did a very good work, yeah.
5 million. I don't know 5.2.
I don't know.
5.3 million. 5.3 million.
5.35.
No. 5.35. Going
5.34.
90 dot 5.35.
Open this one, okay, because on the spirit of donating, I doubt you. She was very, very eager to make sure that her group won this battle. And let's see.
5.4.
5.5.
Mighty dot.
5.5 million.
Okay. So at the end of the day, in the Kappa, no case, no. Mighty Dot beat it. Mighty Dot is not the same guy that came here the other time was insulting me. I think he's the one, right? Oh, good enough. So you are the Mighty Dot. Because this Mighty Dot was here I think early this month or last month, was insulting me. You know, so the Mighty Dot is done with Ogen Care or what? Or are there two Mighty Dots? Are there two Mighty Dots? Everyone if say no. Okay, please. Who that how many of you remember that the person that was calling me, he said that that I am a woman or something like that. That was there's a way that person put it. I think his name is Mighty Dot. I don't have any. I don't think anyone if watched that video that day. I don't think anyone watched us that day. He's not the one. Okay, he said that he's not the one. So they have other Mighty Dots. They have more than other Mighty, because that one was that one is with Ogen Care, I think. It's what I said. No, it's not the person. Okay, and he's possessed, highly possessed. Number of the Lucky Palace. What I mean is that okay, Mega Ghana has collected one egg from Eggman. Okay, now I understand it. I understand what they're talking about. But the Mega Ghana about where egg is something like that. No, I don't know, Sha. I don't know. What he is trying to say is the spirit of it must be me. Okay, that is our problem. Yeah. I later reconnect. I later understand what he was trying to say. And Margaret said, because Ado should like to command and control. That is why she is doing that exactly. Exactly, my dear. All right, that is the end of that. You know, I enjoyed it. It's good to have use that kind of thing to at the end of the day, favor the Biafrans. Favor the money is not for anybody, but for the movement. Now, yesterday we talked about we saw the breaking news of this guy called Sunday Igboho. Okay, Sunday Igboho saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should embrace or find a way to work with the Tinubu. Okay, accept dialogue. And this thing, he said this few days that another Yoruba guy was abusing Igbo people, that Igbo love money so much. Igbo people love money so much that Igbo people are buyable. And one of our brothers that I shared his video about that was asking, have you managed to purchase Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? We all know that even the Nigerian government is tired of giving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because not because of what the Biafrans or Igbo people are doing, but the God that is with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not sleeping. The God is dealing with Nigerian government. Most of the things that Nigerians are going through are spiritual. Not everything, don't get me wrong. I'm talking about some of the decisions they are making that looks so crazy. Is not ordinary. When you hold the righteous, the foundation of the ground, or the foundation of where they hold him, or those that are in charge of that, or those that are responsible, will not feel comfortable. And that is what is dealing with Nigeria today. Many people will doubt what I just said, but I can tell you, you think that holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just for fun. You think that people holding him are, that they are now partying around. No, because everybody is not the same. When you hold somebody that is dear to God, what you see, you may not believe it. what you see, you may not believe it. It is obvious that many people want to see Bassam Kano released, and there are some few percentage that actually want him to buy, and some want him to remain in prison. But the Nigerian government, they knew what it takes to keep him. They understand it, even though sometimes they can pretend as if nothing is going on. But me and you know that something is going on. So a Yoruba man said that Igbo people are that they are buyable. You can buy them, you can do this, you can do that. It sounds funny that they can say that. Today, Sunday Igboho is now telling Mazam Namorokano to, not that he did not visit him in prison, but he's kind of suggesting that he should accept dialogue, and work with, just accept it and negotiate. And that negotiation is about giving up the agitation and, playing with the life of your people, because you have taken something, you cannot see that everything is not fight. All of a sudden, you're now realizing that. So let's go through that, because Koiki also made a post. But I want to start from what Charlie Boy said. Charlie Boy, I want to start with what Charlie Boy said. Please, if you have not liked the video, make sure you like, or you're going to watch later. Please, I expect you to like the video. This is Charlie Boy. Okay, where's let me take this one. This is Charlie Boy. Let's see what he said. Yeah. Just in, they said Igbos love money, but now they can't prove them wrong. Okay. Even 500 billion couldn't break him. Okay. Sanusi salute Nnamdi Kanu loyalty to Biafra. Pay attention now. When they said the Igbos love money, remind them that Nnamdi Kanu is still in prison. When they said that Igbos does not love themselves, remind them that Nnamdi Kanu is still sacrificing his freedom for his people, said Mohammed Sanusi to Lamido Sanusi, former emir of Kano. According to Sanusi, Sunday Igboho was allegedly offered 50 billion naira to abandon his agitation for the Oduduwa Republic, and he accepted. But Nnamdi Kanu was reportedly offered 500 billion, not million, billion, an oil well, and a lifetime payment of 5 billion monthly, 5 billion monthly. Yet he rejected them all, declaring it is Biafra or death. Sanusi described Kanu as a man whose conviction goes beyond comfort and whose sacrifice will be remembered by history. A northerner saying this. Pay attention, because we have something to say. I believe many of us may have not come across this information. I believe you may not understand. I believe you may not understand. When I say that I'm not fighting for freedom, this is what it means to be a freedom fighter. Not that you are clapping and saying that means you are fighting. You know, this is a freedom fighter. People that can go to this extreme, don't joke with them. Don't. How many of us can beat our chest and say, Biafra or death? How many will do that? That's a freedom fighter. I've told you, I don't see many people as a freedom fighter. Some felt that, Kai Report, you're undermining my work. Do you know who I am? I come out every day and broadcast. Anybody coming after you or threatening your life because you are broadcasting and sharing information about Biafra, the person just drive joy in soaking people's blood, not because you're a freedom fighter thoroughly. It takes a lot to back it up. It's not by church or church. You can see the gap between Sunday Wuhan and the man of Ghana. The guy that shared his message, what's it called? Area father don't. These are people that was insulting Master Ghana. I remember back then in 2014, 2013, 2014, 15, 17, thereabouts. This child boy I see now is among those that called Master Ghana name. Forget about even my own relation, you know, was a kind of discouraging me years ago, saying that Master Ghana, forget about this guy. Anybody that want to make one, they'll come out and start telling Biafra. Once he had a gun and on that's weak. That is that people actually believe that everybody is money, money. The offer they offered PM Simon Ekpa, at number the one that they are seeing from the Sunday book. Are you following? The one that offered Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is even more huge than the one Sunday book. They are less that the man have grabbed. Of course, who wouldn't expect him to grab it? And do you see him as a freedom fighter? I don't see him like that. I don't. And it has been proven that this is exactly what they do. Do you understand me now? It has been proven. We all know this. They always want to act as if it don't matter. What you are saying is you are just saying something. You are just on your own. What you are saying does not add up. This and that. For Master to sacrifice what he has sacrificed and give his life, receiving pain for years now, still counting. And somebody will tell me that God don't like us. Many countries, many people are looking for, not even Master level is too big. I'm talking about who will I use, even let me say, even no, okay, it's not fighting for Biafra. Who will I use now? Someone that's fighting genuinely. You know, I find it difficult to count. I only 3 names comes to my mind: Master Kano, Simon Ekpa, Biafra Prime Minister, and DPM. I don't know any other person. I will not lie to you. I don't know any other person to use, but you understand what I'm trying to say. It is not easy to have this kind of people, and God keep on giving us. Every Igbo people now, even Master haters, are now using his tenacity to reply critics, Igbo critics. A man that have rejected all these things. So, and then, funny enough, a Yoruba man is trying to throw shade, trying to throw words on Igbo people because Igbos love money. But in their history, in their entire history, they have never provided anybody like Master Namorikan. Understand what I'm saying? I'm not saying that this one cannot, this one cannot. I'm telling you, from the creation of the world, there's nobody from Yoruba land that can be like Master Namorikan. When it comes to buying and selling, when it comes to, sabotaging, because I call it sabotage. Sunday Boho's activities, it can be considered as a kind of act of sabotage. Do you understand? Because he made his people believe that he actually for them, but he's not. He made them believe that he's for them, and he did not stop there. There's another post where he claimed that he's begging federal government to give him green light, okay, to flush terrorists in the bush. after collecting money, allegedly. They allege that he collected money. I don't know. But let me bring other. Okay, before then, let's watch what let's go to what Koiki post. What Koiki said about it. And then after that, we now go to the other side of it. Okay, this is Sunday Boho. Okay, this is Sunday Boho, and the write-up says, where is it? Why is it this way? No. Okay, let me see. Now this is Sunday Boho. Koiki said, a group of Yoruba Nation agitators currently detained at the Agodi Correctional Center in Ibadan, Oyo State, have issued an emotional appeal to Yoruba self-determination activist Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, and the renowned Yoruba leader Professor Adebanji Akintoye, seeking urgent intervention. So they are the one begging Sunday to come for their rescue in Anokwa. Now, here.
Good afternoon. Yesterday's on Quaker Media. First, the headline. Detained Yoruba Nation agitators in Agodi prison appeal to Sunday Igboho for urgent intervention. Now the news and details. I am Flopada. A group of Yoruba Nation agitators currently detained at the Agodi Correctional Center in Ibadan, Oyo State, have issued an emotional appeal to Yoruba self-determination activist Sunday Adeyemo Igboho and renowned Yoruba leader Professor Adebanji Akintoye, seeking urgent intervention over their prolonged detention and worsening conditions. Detainees made their appeal in a written letter reportedly delivered through DHL carrier service to the residents of Sunday Igboho on Friday, February 13, 2026. In the letter, the detained individuals expressed appreciation for Igboho's role in advocating for Yoruba interests and congratulated him on regaining freedom after legal battles with Nigerian authorities. They further acknowledged what they described as divine intervention and public support that helped remove Igboho's name from international watch list, wishing him continued success. However, the detainees appealed for immediate assistance, urging him to mobilize traditional rulers and prominent Yoruba leaders to intervene in the situation. The detainees described harsh living conditions inside the correctional facility, stating that their continued detention has severely affected their families, livelihoods, and health. They alleged that many inmates are battling infections and illnesses requiring urgent medical attention. In a notable part of the letter, the detainees distanced themselves from a woman identified as Madame Dupe Onitiri, whom they claimed previously led or influenced their actions, and allegedly identified herself as the late wife of Nigerian democracy icon MKO Abiola. They said that their experiences in detention had changed their perception. Detainees were among no fewer than 29 suspects arraigned before a chief magistrate court in Ibadan following an alleged attempted invasion of the Oyo State Government Secretariat at Agodi on April 13, 2024. According to the charge sheet, the defendants were accused of conspiracy to commit treasonable felony, participation in an unlawful society, going hand, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace. The prosecution alleged that the suspects and others still at large conspired at about 8:30 a.m. on the said date within the Ibadan Magisterial District, offenses punishable under Section 516 of the Criminal Code Laws of Oyo State, Nigeria, 2000. The defendants include men and women of varying ages, ranging from 25 to 78 years old, reflecting the wide demographic involvement in the incident. The appeal highlights ongoing tension surrounding Yoruba self-determination movement and raises renewed concerns about prolonged detention, prison welfare, and political agitation in southwestern Nigeria. And that is the news. Quickie Media, bring your world closer to your doorstep.
All right, that is from Koigi. Okay, and the news also have it that the man, like I told you, is asking federal government to give him something to that he can flush away terrorists. You know, you look at it here. I think this is the one. Okay, no, this one is him taking dialogue. You know, asking Mazoka to accept. I think I did not save that video. I don't have that one. Where is that video? Where is that report? Because he, after collecting money, he's now bragging that he can. Federal government should give him green light, so he can now flush. So he can now flush the terrorists in the bush away. Does it make any sense to you? Like, after collecting money, you are now telling the federal government that, okay, give me what it takes. I will flush terrorists away. Let me see if I can. If I don't know where I saved that video. Just a moment. Let me advertise Ikemba first. I forgot to do. I suppose I've done that a long time ago. We need to also remind you. I'll be right back.
Ikemba rise on November 29, 2015. Our people declared Ikemba state in the United States of Biafra. Momuna, listen. Our roads are broken, schools without roof. So farms they suffer no more than two. So but now we stand to declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call jobs right here. We create Ikemba development, no more wait. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise from need to victory. Raise your voices high, build our future bright. State of Ikemba, we claim our right. Look at our own steakhouse leaders we know, from hills of Obochiogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Managed budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges, fair safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Roads, schools, peace, all in our hand. All in our hand. All in our hand. Oh, Agini, Ametiti, Amofe, Anani, Ezu, Dunu, Anauzu, Ide North, Ide South, to Obizi, Ofemili, Ogboki, Ogushine, Okotu, Umuri, Umuowele, all divine. Each county, each district, unique and bold. Resources and talent, our story told. Oh, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise. Turn promise to reality.
Anambra region, stood tall and declared our own state in the Declaration of the United States of Biafra. This isn't just talk. It's about real change for us. Stick around. I'm breaking down why Ikemba needs this and how it changes everything.
Schools need fixing and farms. They are stuck in the past without proper gear. But as our own state, we get direct access to that equitable share, grant and national funds. Boom! Clean water for every home. Reliable electricity, new health clinics, and skill center for the youth. We will attract investors, create jobs right here, and build the infrastructure we deserve. No more waiting on faraway decisions. This is us taking control. Who is with me? Picture this, our own state house with leaders who knows our land inside out. From the hills of Oboshiogo to the riverbanks of Ezi with Obi is the capital. They will handle the budgets, collect service charges fairly, and make sure every gem goes to schools, roads, and keeping us safe. Transparency, it's baked in public meetings. No more hiding deals. We will have real accountability because these folks live here too. It's governance that feels like family, not some distant thing. Ikemba isn't just one spot. It's a family of counties and districts, each bringing their vibes. It's time. The state of Ikemba needs your support in the final push for total liberation. Your talents, ideas, and passion are urgently needed in the government. Let's work together to build a brighter future. A big shout out to our incredible citizens of the United States of Biafra, both in the diaspora and at home, for your tireless effort and dedication. We are connected, one heartbeat pushing for progress. So let's make it happen. Raise your voices, build our future. Ikemba State, one people, one purpose, one destiny. Turn needs into wins. Join the movement today. Together, we are unstoppable. Omonna, my brothers and sisters, welcome to the new dawn of Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. We are not just talking change, we are living it. Our leaders, elected by us, for us. No appointments here, pure people's power. Let's meet the team building our strength. Under the visionary leadership of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our unbreakable leader, the man who started this fire for justice and sovereignty, and guiding us daily, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoko, Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. He's steering the ship toward full independence. At the helm, guiding us nationally, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Arabueze, our Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. She's the visionary pushing for our sovereignty and growth. Right here in Ikemba, leading with heart, Her Excellency Nwada Dunu Nkiruka, our elected governor. She's all about development from roads to schools. By her side, His Excellency Prince Dominion, Deputy Governor, the powerhouse ensuring every voice is heard and every plan executed. For security and pride, General Alaboso, Commander of Ikemba State, protecting our land and people with honor. And staying connected, Mazi C Global, Commissioner for Info and Telecoms, spreading our story, building our network. These are our elected champions, not appointed, but chosen by you. Together, they are the strength of the nation. Ikemba rises. Join the movement. Strength of the nation.
And the one I get, no man born of a woman can force me to sit at home. And the one I get men of you Monday. I am old enough to know what is good for me. And then I put over sit at home now. Actually, in the matter now enforce to sit at home. I will not allow anybody to force me to sit at home. What do I do? When I'm going to sit at home, if you want to buy them, line. If you don't, no, I sit at home. So you need to take the force to sit at home. I can have free force and I'm making one about what you're doing. Ubasan for those who watch one day, no come again. After come when it's working out. Mbana news. Makanese mo poti on Monday. Manake wana potaba without time in a police. If you let me man, message them but tonight. and over by force. Obodum Kage me stories as touch the heart. Who wants to be like a Roma? Ma Potadilo na Monday. When I'm with your mom, so I get here. Mama, you have from Nilo na Monday. I'm going to my appointment when I give on a Monday. If a Monday can't be here, if a Monday can't, that appointment I go cancel. Oh, go on to carry the answer. Oh, what go on here? Will I also? Yes, I can go on and go to an officer, not at all, problem in her. Just for you, I am my baby. You don't know, say you get at home. Or the one that was at home. A man of motor, the man of motor, Koyama. Mobile is only on Monday. More. Had the money why I'm back. Had the money why I'm back. You want to ask him to do it on Monday? No, what is your name? I'm not going to candy. What is your name? You says for the civil defense of Puginazu. Mputakita. I think the Michael and the Gabriel and the leader web below.
All right. So we are going to wind down now because I'm coming back again for fundraising. So please keep your eyes on the channel and make sure you like the video before you go. Remember, Monday is at home, and of course, fundraising is coming up. You need to also join and do what you can. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you again, my people. I really appreciate all of you that joined us in this one. Margaret, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Margaret, are you still here with us? Can I see your comment before I go? Are you still here? He said, exactly, because Mazamokan is not corrupt and innocent. That is why Almighty God is fighting for him. Yes, so Mana is Jokuna. Margaret, are you still here? Let me know if you are still here. I'm gonna wait and she does maybe 2 minutes. Let me know if you are still here, Margaret. What is this? Okay. So please, if you are still here, let me know. I have to go. I'll go off now to set fundraising. I have to go off now. This is maybe I don't know when they're gonna start, and I have to give the chance for the algorithm to work. Okay, I think Margaret is not here yet. She has gone. I believe she has gone. So my people, we are going to end it now. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe if you are new. Do all you can to subscribe. Okay. Okay, let me play this. This brother said nothing happens to Monday sit at home until Mazamonokano is released. Yes, so that is like and subscribe. That's good. Choose. I'm happy to have you this hour. I don't know that you are still here. I thought you are no longer here anyway. But I can see.
Okay,
my brother, see my brother.
Chim like this.
Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.
More chibem sizi chimana ache le toga ko mo ato. Nezo di beweli wo asemajo ele toga chim like this. More chibem sizi chimana ache le toga ko mo atoga ya ache ko wogene.
Let talk cheap like this, cause all my life for talk yochi. I said, Majo, more chibi, ya na hachi, let talk. Why I come to Kua, more, the man goof before more alone, near the argument booze or chebem can stop back a near before ya away an appetite. Kurita lana nache, ya no more near the yochi, chibem. The year and a half run to Amatoka something future you look what they talk when they lay talk like this. I check out one again.
Ọgụgụ a ka e nyere eji abụọ na English foul na-request GLE before this year gwụ ọcha ga-atọ sacrifice i nyere chi ji rere ere na English foul ụkwara nọ why ha ji aga na achị ọchị mụọ na onwe m ịhụ na ọ tọrọ m ọchị gụọ na onwe gị gift a mgbe iji abịa jawa ọtọga ha gị ọchị onye mere chi gị ji achị gị ọchị i wetara ji abụọ rere ere ha na English foul bịa na-abịa request for GLE nwanne m ịtọga ọchị biko onye chiga achịgbuole ịdị lọki na ha aka ụdọ gị ara ọwa ọchị ha achịga since i wetara sacrifice a na kana ịfụrụ afụ ihe a iji emepe chi gị afọ ka ọ hụ appetite rie sacrifice gị ka na rere ere ama mmọnwụ normal Igbo ka a gwara ya onye mere ịkwa achịga ọchị kemgbe i wetara sacrifice a ịdị lọki ka repercussion sacrifice gị awa ara agabeghị gbala ara i wetara ji na request coup GLE ịdị funny